We are in Amish country. Look at all these horses, buggies.
The local marathon station.
4 miles, arrive at Evergreen Park. On the left.
He's getting back on the road.
This is one beautiful park so far. We've never been here before, even though we don't live too far from here. See, it's windy. The rain's coming in about an hour. So we're gonna try to get in, even though I left my chili at home. So, oh well. So we are here with a bunch of friends camping this weekend. We were up pretty, well, not real late last night, but pretty late, just talking and laughing and eating pizza. It's supposed to be a beautiful day today, even though it rained all night last night.
That refrigerator has seen its day.
I'd say it's a rust bucket.
But does it stay cool inside?
Well, it's cool this morning. 39 degrees. Putting greens. I think it needs a new flag though. And it's a little wet.
That's a great fire. Good job.
Oh, look at your dog.
What kind of dog?
It's a border collie.
That's a border collie?
Oh.
Yeah, she's friendly. She'll jump on you.
She's trained us to grab her frisbee.
Oh yeah. Our first trip this year in March, first weekend of March we were here. And then this is our last scheduled one, but we're going to try to go out every month if we can.
Yep.
That's the plan.
In the winter?
If the weather's, if the weather's.
Hey, Kate, ready, Penny? Ready? Go get it. Come on. Have you ever been a place where they have a pet wash? It's warm in here too. You ready to take a bath?
It's tempting.
Alright, you ready? Yes, the leader and the biggest throttle. Good job. You get to jump with the bike. Here it comes.
I'm ready for the dinosaur.
Nice jump, dude. That's it. Go fast.
So here's the bathroom for Evergreen for those that don't have full hookups. It's really nice. And showers. Lots of showers.
Tony.
Here we are at Lehman's.
So this is new for us, so we're excited to see this store. Do we know you?
Probably this guy.
You guys are like famous.
Yeah. Riley's famous.
He is. He goes,
He's got his little Carhartt on.
I, today, am wearing my Carhartt shirt. I, too, am part of the revolution.
oh my goodness. This guy did it? Yeah. Look at this, honey.
Oh, I know. I saw that. The definition of it.
For the flashing light.
Yep.
We saw that Chevy coming in.
Oh, the guy, like, his doesn't change.
They even have side mirrors. Yeah.
Well, wait a minute. That's too much on the springs. I thought you said you lost 10 pounds.
Mike, can you get my camera? I think it's the still picture.
You're supposed to drive the horses.
I need a steering wheel.
Somebody shake the buggy.
Reins, no steering wheel, but reins.
Oh, that's it.
Would be neat if there was some reins there to grab onto.
Put it back. We're done with it. Here, give it to Gary. Gary wants to see it.
It's my kind of store. I knew I'd find you in here.
You would.
Of course, we're going here. We have too many grandkids. Of course, this is what they want.
We are at Lehman's, the store. You need to come here. This place is phenomenal. Everything you can imagine, you will find right here. This is definitely worth stopping if you're anywhere close to Berlin, Ohio.
We're not seeing these gas prices right now, are we? Are you a Bologna eater? This is the place. Dundee, Ohio.
I don't know.
This is what we woke up to this morning. Looks like Christmas. So we are staying another day, obviously. Tomorrow it should be warmer.
Hi. It's cold out here, but I'm going ahead and dumping the tanks.
Have we ever dumped tanks of snow before?
Nope.
I didn't think so. Well, someone decided to leave tonight instead of tomorrow. Who might that be?
I have no idea. But a thought did cross my mind, and that's always scary.
We had a great time with all of our friends at Evergreen. Is it Dundee? In Dundee, Ohio. It's just right outside of Berlin, in Amish country. We did so much. We went through Lehman's. It's a great hardware store. Everything's in there.
Yes.
And some of them went to Cuyahoga National Park. We had already been there in October, so we chose not to go, and we went back to Lehman'shardware store. And then we went to a chocolate place, Coblentz or something like that, I can't remember. But just had a great time of fellowship, playing a game, 1 to 100.
Oh my goodness.
But that was a fun game, and it's a great game to play for Christmas if you have a big family.
Thank you, John and Heather, for that.
So the Shrags are the ones that told us about this game. So we had probably had at least 30, I didn't count, but we had big potluck last night. And then this morning, Duane gave us a little message from Matthew, which was really, really good. We had several people that came. We had some people that left like at 5 o'clock in the morning to get home. So we all live at different places. We had a great time. So we can't wait to be back with them again. I know we'll be together next June at the Shrags camp out, but hopefully before then we'll get to be with some of them.
I think the reason I just couldn't stay any longer, Gary left. And once Gary left, it just wasn't the same party anymore.
Yeah. He was the last one before us, and we decided to leave probably an hour after Gary left, so it just wasn't the same.
But we did get to tell a lot of folks goodbye.
We did.
Nothing like camping family.
That's true. They really are becoming a family. So anyway, we hope you like this video. Hope you enjoyed looking at Evergreen. If you're in this part and you want to go to Amish country, it is a great place to stay. They have a huge pool, huge hot tub. I forgot my bathing suit, but we had so many kids last night in there. Those that wanted to go chose not to go. It's just the kids were having a great time. So that's good. If you have kids, it's a great place to be. So anyway, if you haven't subscribed, we would love to have you part of our family. So just hit the subscribe button if you want to know when the next videos are out. You can hit the bell, and also you can like this video. And we don't know what's next for us. There may be another get-together in December and another one in January. I don't know how much we'll be camping, but we'll be getting together with some people.
Yes.
And then we're putting our RV to bed tomorrow.
Yes.
And if we can, we'll get it out again, but I'm not sure. It's getting really cold. If we're already getting snow, so we may have a really snowy winter. So we'll see you next time.
Bye now.